What is a decagon? Imagine a shape with 10 straight sides all connected to from a closed figure. That shape is called a decagon, a type of polygon. Polygons are flat shapes made of straight lines that meet at points called vertices. In a decagon, there are exactly 10 vertices where the sides come together. Each interior angle, which is the space inside the shape at each vertex, adds up to a total of 1,440 degrees. This total is the same whether the decagon looks regular or irregular. A regular decagon has all 10 sides of equal length and all interior angles of exactly 144 degrees. It also has 10 lines of symmetry, meaning it can be folded along these lines and match perfectly on both sides. Plus, it has 35 diagonals, which are lines connecting non-adjacent vertices. These diagonals help divide the decagon into smaller triangles, making it easier to understand its shape. An irregular decagon does not have all sides or angles equal. Some irregular decagons are convex, meaning all interior angles are less than 180 degrees. Others are concave, with one or more interior angles exceeding 180 degrees. Despite these differences, the total of all interior angles remains 1,440 degrees. Decagons are seen in many places like architecture, art, and nature. Some buildings use decagonal shapes for aesthetic appeal. Certain flowers and starfish also display decagonal symmetry, showing how common these shapes are in the world around us. The number of diagonals in a decagon is always 35. This is calculated by a simple formula where you multiply the number of sides minus 3 by the number of sides, then divide by 2. So, for a decagon, it is 10 times 7 divided by 2, which equals 35 diagonals. Understanding a decagon helps us learn about shapes, angles, and symmetry. When calculating the area of a regular decagon, you can use a specific formula that involves the length of its sides. But for irregular decagons, you need to divide the shape into triangles and find the area of each before adding them up. Overall, a decagon is a fascinating shape that connects to many ideas in geometry. It is part of the family of polygons, shapes with many sides, and helps us understand how shapes and angles work together in the world around us.